Madden Mobile and YG here. Today I'm going to be doing a video of opening these Road to the Ring packs. I actually did it 7 times, but I just opened one by accident when I wasn't going to start the videos. So I have 5 collectibles now. No, I have 6. No, sorry. Never mind. So guys, I'm going to be opening this. So first ring or second we open, we get, this ring, guys. Horrible. I haven't seen you guys for a while, but whatever. So, Cowboys again. Guys, I don't think we're going to get Victor Cruz today, which I was hoping to get. And 3 more rings to go, guys. And can we get Victor Cruz? 2 more rings, guys, and can we get Victor Cruz in? Seriously, guys, I'm getting really frustrated right now. And we don't get Victor Cruz, but let's put a gear thing. So I'm gonna put a set. So I'm gonna put these 2 Cowboys. What else should I put in? I'm gonna put in this. If you guys already claimed your 93 overall Victor Cruz, please leave the comments below. And this is so sad that we didn't get Victor Cruz, guys. This was a quick little video. And I completed 16 tests. Been trying to get Victor Cruz. I'm 9 out of 10 for Victor Cruz, and this wasn't a very good video. Actually, it really wasn't. So, I'm going to click more for this. Check out the Superlatives live events. The winner Superlatives players. I'm pretty sure, and the all new Superlatives pack and store. I don't need to know that. Okay. Guys, these are all head-to-heads, but not some. Okay, now, yeah. I'm just gonna check. I don't really have to do it right now, so I'm gonna exit. Guys, this was a little bit frustrating, but it was a really good chance to get Victor Cruz, which the Road to the Ring came out. And I didn't get Victor Cruz today, but I will be doing videos every weekend. So see you guys next time. Bye.